real quick demo of our trunk hook for Model 3. That's what it looks like. So injection molded plastic with a brass thread inside. And in your Model 3, you have this weird bolt sticking out here. So all this does, the threads obviously all match up. We're just going to screw that onto there. Get it hand tight, don't over tighten it. And then you can use that to carry your takeout bags, or as we have here, just a grocery sack. And it just stops stuff from flying around in your trunk when you're driving along. 3 prongs, they kind of have a little sort of internal hook as well to stop stuff sliding off. And we'll go for a ride in a second just to show that it stays in place. So that's it, really simple upgrade for your Model 3 trunk. Alright, we'll quickly go around the block, show you that your take-out bag or take-out sack doesn't go anywhere while we drive a little bit more lively than we normally would. As you can see, no matter how enthusiastic your driving is, your grocery bag or takeout or whatever else you've got hanging on the hook will be just fine.